This program is called ISHG, Indian Society of Human Genetics Society, Indian Society of Human Genetics. ಅವರು 47 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ಇದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ 49 years it is. So now it's they are conducting a program where all the scientists from India who are all the members of this ISHG meeting committee as well as the global scientists, they come and then discuss here whatever the developments have happened in the genetics development. So that's where you can see many companies who have come here. They're all looking at in the gene level what are the changes have happened, where the mutations have happened, and then how people can identify these the diseases or the disorders, and then look at the therapeutic options. So around 1,000 scientists might have come today, and then every day they are coming and then they are discussing what are the developments they have made here. So some of the companies which where I am standing, it's called Oxford Nanopore. They work on the sequencing of the DNA. Earlier people used to sequence small sequences. Now they can do the whole genome sequencing at much bigger level. So around 50 kb or 100 kb sequences they can sequence and find out the mutations much easily. And also DNA, there are a lot of changes would have happened, that also they can identify using this technology. This is a novel technology which is presently providing, many companies are doing the services based on this. Some of the things we also work with them, Oxford Nanopore, and then they are the scientists who are working in that area, so you can hear more from them. So
My name is Harpreet. I am from Oxford Nanopore from the commercial division. So we provide, as Dr. Gopi mentioned about the genetic mutations, and this conference, the theme is on genetic diseases and things. So we have a solution where the machine, the sequencer, can sequence the genome at a larger depth, and with new technology, which is long read technology, which is proving very useful in the field of cancer, rare disease, or mental health. So that is where we outperform everyone in this field. Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Preetham. I represent Oxford Nanopore Technology, which is a UK-based company primarily, into sequencing, next generation sequencing. So Oxford Nanopore is now in India with many establishments. So Government of India along with ICMR, CSR as well as DBT is implementing Oxford Nanopore sequencing for many disease surveillance. Like it started with COVID. When COVID came, there are a lot of COVID genome sequencing happens in India, which is done on Oxford Nanopore. Similarly, right now on monkeypox and tuberculosis, which Government of India is doing a lot of sequencing using Oxford Nanopore sequencing technology, and it's an amazing technology which can be implemented on field for surveillance. It is useful for cancer, it's for rare diseases. So we are representing in this ISHG primarily where a lot of human genetic scientists are already present, and they are all our users, and they are implementing this to find out many diseases, how they are happening, what they are happening. And in a long run we see a lot of opportunities in India. We are growing the sequencing for disease surveillance, for many of implementation in hospitals and other thing. Thank you.
I'm Anulipi. I'm from the Inside Sales department. I cover the India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and nearby countries. My company name is Oxford Nanopore. We are a UK-based company. The head office is in Oxford. In India, we are operating to 3 salespeople and 1 field application scientist. We are into genomics. We provide the DNA, RNA sequences. So people are into genomics, into human sequencing projects. So they buy our sequencers. And we have ranges of devices starting from MinION, PromethION, GridION, and depending upon the application wise, we provide them the customized services and the products.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇರೋ ಚಿನ್ನನ ಅಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.